Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to learn about how to highlight, duplicate or unique values in any database. So coming to our first example, we have our database here of employees in an organization along with their names, SS numbers, phone numbers and other details. And as a rule, every employee must have unique SS numbers. And to check for any duplicacy or any error so that we can correct those errors, we must highlight the duplicate SS numbers in this data. So for this we will take help of conditional formatting by select this column, go to home tab, select conditional formatting, select highlight cell rules and then go to duplicate values. So it will give us option to highlight the duplicate values with light red fill and dark red text, and we can change it by using the drop down button and go to custom format, but I'm fine with this auto format, and so I will just press OK. So as you can see, we have successfully highlighted the duplicate values. Now I want to filter them out, so I can do it by just filter by color, that is filter by their format. So we can see that there are 7 employees there which have duplicate SS numbers. So we can check their check for their corrections, and yeah, and this SS number 390000 is repeated thrice. So we can see that this duplicacy could be 2 times, 3 times and 4 times, or any n number of times. It is not necessary that this duplicacy would be only 2 times, so that you have to remember. So yeah, this is how we can do that. So I will just now remove this filter. And now coming to a second example, how to check for unique values in any database. So there is our second example here. There is transaction numbers, amounts and states, and we can see that this state must be repeated many of the times, as there are about 1128 cells. And I want to see how many states are there which have only one transaction, and to do that I will again take help of conditional formatting by selecting this column, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, go to duplicate values, but this time I will not use the duplicates from this option. I will just go to drop down and select unique, then press OK. Now I will just filter this by color and see that there are 4 states are there which have only one transaction in this database. Now I will remove this filter. So yes guys, this is how we can highlight, duplicate and unique values in any database. And yeah, thanks for joining. Please like, subscribe and share this video if you find our content useful. And yeah, happy learning. Bye.